Hey developers, choosing the right IDE can make or break your coding game. Today we're pitting IntelliJ IDEA against PyCharm in a head-to-head showdown. Let's break them down. First up, IntelliJ IDEA by JetBrains. It's a powerhouse IDE primarily for Java and Kotlin, but it can support tons of languages like Python, JavaScript, and SQL via plugins. IntelliJ shines with smart code completion, advanced refactoring, and seamless integration with tools like Gradle, Maven, and Git. It's perfect for large-scale, multi-language projects, especially in enterprise Java development. Next, we have PyCharm, which is also by JetBrains. It's a Python-focused IDE tailored for Python developers, offering specialized tools like Django, Flask, and data science with Jupyter Notebook integration. PyCharm boasts intelligent code navigation, a robust debugger, and a virtual environment. It's a go-to for Python-centric workflows from web apps to machine learning. So, how do they compare? IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate is a polyglot champion, ideal for mixed language projects, but it's pricier and can feel complex for beginners. PyCharm, especially the professional edition, is laser focused on Python with a simpler UI and lower cost. Both offer community editions for free, but PyCharm's is more Python ready out of the box. Here's a quick comparison chart to sum it up. So, which is better? Choose IntelliJ IDEA if you're tackling Java or mixed language projects. Go for PyCharm if Python is your world, especially for web or data science. Both are top tier, so it's about your workflow. Drop your favorite IDE in the comments and happy coding.